Today, I'll walk you through how to create one legend for multiple charts in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to streamline your visuals so you can enhance clarity and improve your data presentation. First, let's open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different from mine, the steps will still be the same. Now, to create a unified legend, it's crucial that all charts utilize the exact same legend field or category. This ensures that the colors and values match across all your visuals, creating a cohesive look. Think of it like a map. If all the roads are labeled the same way, it's much easier to navigate. Next, select the first chart or the top visual in your report. Navigate to the Format Visual pane and then to the Visual tab. Here, you will find an option to toggle the legend to On. You can also set its position. Let's choose Top Center for this example. This placement will help your viewers quickly identify what each color represents. Now it's time to select all other charts in your report. Again, head to the Format Visual pane and the Visual tab. This time, toggle the legend to Off. By doing this, you're ensuring that only the first chart displays the legend, while the others will rely on it for reference. Finally, align the visual with the active legend at the top or side of your charts. This alignment will visually act as the header or legend for the entire group of charts, making it clear and easy to understand. And there you have it. You've successfully created one legend for multiple charts in Power BI. This not only enhances the aesthetics of your report, but also improves the overall user experience by making your data easier to interpret. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.